The Southeast Asian Fisheries Development Center Training Department, in collaboration with Department of Fisheries, Thailand, conduct a Stakeholder Engagement Workshop to finalize the Fisheries Management Plan for Bangsaphan District, Prachuap Khiri Khan Province on 10 to 11 February 2026. The workshop aimed to review and validate the draft fisheries management plan, incorporate stakeholder feedback, and strengthen support for sustainable fisheries and improve livelihoods in Bangsaphan District under the project Improving Fishers' Livelihoods and Fisheries Co-Management in Inland and Coastal Small-Scale Fisheries. The workshop brought together 28 participants representing SEAFDEC Training Department, the Bangsaphan District Fisheries Office, a resource person from Kasetsart University, and key stakeholders, including local fishers from the Bangsaphan Fisheries Network, community representatives, government officials, the National Park Authority, and partner agencies such as Sahaviriya Steel Industry and Prachuap Port. Discussions focused on refining the draft plan, incorporating stakeholder inputs, validating the final fishery management plan, and identifying priority activity for implementation. The finalized plan will serve as a guiding framework for sustainable fisheries management in Bangsaphan, strengthen co-management practice, and contribute to improve livelihoods for small-scale fishing communities in the area. In addition, on 12 February 2026, SEAFDEC Training Department participated in a research enhancement activity at Melampung Beach in collaboration with the Bangsaphan Fisheries Network. The activity involved the release of fish figurines to help restore natural fish stock and the installation of fish aggregating devices to provide habitat and promote the recovery of marine resources. This initiative supports ongoing efforts to rehabilitate coastal ecosystems and strengthen the sustainability of community-based fisheries in the area.